Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will discuss the new topic homologous series. So first of all, we will learn about the word homologous. Why we'll use the word homologous, and the simple meaning of homologous can be understood from this slide, where the arm of the different animals are indicated. The arm of the different animals contain similarity like bones, and their fingers are similar. The structures which are similar in structures are called homologous. Therefore, the term homologous are used also in chemistry, in which a member of a family are homologous of each other. They are similar of each other, just like a family. As the family members are resemble with one another in many properties, therefore, the homologous series means the group of organic compounds which are similar in their properties. As you know, there are millions of organic compounds. We have to study them. In order to study them easily, we divide these homologous groups into different families and groups. These families of organic compounds are called homologous groups or homologous series. There are following hydrocarbon families. Hydrocarbons are the organic compound which contain carbon and hydrogen only. Hydrocarbons are divided up into families. Here are few families you are you are seeing in this slide. First of all, there are hydrocarbons are divided into, for example, alkane family, alkane homologous group of alkanes, homologous group of alkenes, and the homologous group of alkynes, a family of alkynes, and the homologous series of aromatics arenes. All these are different homologous groups. These are the different organic compounds families. We have divided millions of organic compounds just like these in different groups. These groups contain hundreds of members, and each group is called a homologous group or a homologous series, or we can say that a hydrocarbon family. For example, alkane is a hydrocarbon family which contains hundreds of alkane. All the alkenes are present in the family of alkenes. Similarly, all the alkynes are included in the alkyne homologous group, and all the aromatic compounds are present in the homologous group of benzene. So in order to discuss them, understand them easily, we have divided organic compounds into different groups. Next, we will try to understand the definition of homologous series. Here are few other groups of homologous series, like alkene, carboxylic acids are also a homologous series, a members homologous group of organic compounds. Alkanes are, you know already, the a group of homologous compounds. Alcohol are also a group of homologous compounds. Esters are also a group of homologous compound. In the diagram on the right side, you are seeing that, for example, alkane members of alkane family are just like methane. Ethane is also a member of alkane family. Propane is also a member of alkane family. All the alkanes which are included in the alkane family, they have similar structure. Just like you are seeing that they contain single bond in their structure. They contain carbon to carbon as well as carbon to hydrogen single bond. Therefore, the homologous group of alkane contain similar structures. Therefore, they are included in one group. Next, we will try to understand the definition of homologous series. How can we define a homologous group or a homologous series? As we already know that homologous series means a group of organic compounds which have similar properties. So look at the definition: a series of organic compounds with similar chemical properties. The members of a homologous group contain similar chemical properties. It means they show same reactions in which members differ from one another by additional CH2 group. And other property of the homologous group member is that they are differ from one another by a CH2 group. And such type of group is called homologous series, We can understand this definition from this diagram. Look at the formula of methane, that is CH4, and the formula of ethane is C2H6. Both of these members are differ by a CH2 group. If we add a CH2 in methane, CH4, we will obtain C2H6. So the two consecutive members of any homologous series are differ by a CH2 group. If we add a CH2 group in C2H6 ethane, we will get propane, which is another member of the homologous group of alkane. Now the word homolog, the individual member are called homolog. Homologous series contain hundreds of members. Each member of a homologous group or homologous series is called a homolog. The spelling of homolog are both correct if we spell it homolog or if we spell it like HOMOLOGUE. Now we will discuss the properties of the homologous group. In order to understand the chemistry of homologous series, there are four characteristics we can see the present in the any homologous series. First of all, every member in the homologous series can be represented by a common formula. It means that every homologous group, either it is an alcohol, it is an alkane, it is alkynes, alkenes, all the homologous series, they have a general formula. A homologous group members can be represented by a general formula. Similarly, every member differ from other by the group CH2, which has the relative mass 14. If we look at the members of any homologous group, the two consecutive members of any homologous group are differ by a CH2 group, and by mass they are differ by a 14 molecular mass. The two consecutive members are differ by a mass of 14. It means the two consecutive members are differ from each other by a CH2 group, or we can say that they are differ by a mass of 14. It means the two consecutive members have different molecular mass. Similarly, the third point is that members of the same homologous series can be prepared through one common method. If we apply a method to prepare them, then the member of one homologous group can be prepared any single method one by one. The fourth point is that members of the homologous series have the same chemical properties. They show same chemical properties. For example, the organic compounds like alkane, if they are burnt in the presence of oxygen, they will change into carbon dioxide and water. Therefore, all the homologous series, the members of any series, they will show the same chemical reaction like combustion and any other reaction. Now we will discuss about the four features of the homologous series one by one. The first of all, we have studied in the previous slide that every member in the homologous series can be represented by a common formula. For example, here you can see the few examples of the homologous groups and their general formulas. Alkane is a homologous series or homologous group, and all the alkanes in this family can be represented by this general formula CnH2n plus 2, where N is the number of carbon atom in a alkane structure. Similarly, alkene is another homologous group. Their general formula is CnH2n. All the alkenes in this group can be represented by this general formula. And alcohol is another homologous group. Their general formula is CnH2n plus 1. And additional hydroxyl group is added in their structures. Similarly, the carboxylic acid is another group of organic compounds. Their general formula is like this, CnH2n plus 1, and COOH is the additional. And esters they have this general formula. So you have seen here that every homologous group can be represented by a general formula. For example, if the alkane family have hundreds of the members, then every member can be represented by this general formula. For example, look at the example of alcohol, which is a homologous group. Alcohol is another homologous series. They contain the functional group of hydroxyl group, OH group, in their structure, which is called hydroxyl group. All the alcohol family have the hydroxyl group in their structure. They start with the usual prefix and end in ol, like methanol and ethanol. All the name of the alcohols end on ol. The formula of alcohols can be: methanol is CH3OH. Every member contain an OH group, which is their functional group. So the formula of methanol is CH3OH, and the formula is of ethanol is CH3CH2OH, which is a formula of ethanol. So you you can see that the two consecutive member of the alcohol family, one is methanol and the other is ethanol. Both are differ by a CH2 group from each other, and both can be represented by a general formula which you have seen in this slide, like CnH2n plus 1 and a hydroxyl group. So all the alcohols which are present in the alcohol family can be represented by a general formula, and they have the same functional group and the same chemical properties. Now the next point about their structure is, look at this. Every member differ from other by the group CH2 group, which has the relative mass 14. Each member of two consecutive members of a homologous group, they are differ by a CH2 group, as you are seeing in this diagram. For example, here is a homologous group of alkene. Alkenes are group of organic compounds which contain double bond as a functional group. There are few examples of alkene family: ethene, propene, butene, pentene, etc. The two consecutive members of ethene family are differ by a CH2 group, or they are differ by a mass of 14. So if you add a CH2 group at each step, then you can find the structure of the other structure. If we plus the C2H4 plus CH2, then you will get C2H6. And if you add CH2, you will gain a C4H8. If you add CH2 further, then you will get the structure of C5H10, which is a pentene. This regular increase in CH2 unit means that as you move through the family, there is a gradual change in physical properties. So you know that each member is differ by a CH2 group and the mass of 14. Therefore, the mass is increasing down the group in a family, which means their physical properties like molecular mass is different and their boiling point is also different. Similarly, the chemical properties in each member of the family are all very similar. All the members of the same family have same chemical properties. Members of the same family have different physical property due to differ in mass, and the member of the same family are differ similar in chemical properties like flammability or combustion of the compounds. So here we have understand that the members of a family are differ by a CH2 group, and they are differ in physical properties like boiling point, and they are similar in chemical properties like flammability, like combustion or any other reaction. Here is another example of another homologous group, that is alkyne. Alkynes are a family of organic compounds, hydrocarbon, which contain triple bond in their structure. The first member of alkyne family is ethyne, and their structure is that contain two carbon and two hydrogen. If we add a CH2 group in ethyne, we will get the next member of the family, that is propyne, and its formula is C3 and H4. Therefore, the two consecutive members are differ by a CH2 group. We can obtain a next member of the family by simply adding a CH2 group in their structure. So here you can say the different members of an alkyne family, and all these have same physical properties. All these have different chemical or physical property because their molecular mass is different, but they have similar chemical properties. The next point is that members of the same homologous series can be prepared through the one common method. We will explain this point, how the members of the homologous group can be prepared through the one common method. For example, all alkenes can be prepared by the dehydration of alcohols. Dehydration of alcohol is a famous method for the preparation of alkenes. So all the alkenes which are the member of a homologous group, they can be prepared by the dehydration of alkenes. For example, preparation of ethane, look at there is a formula of C2H5OH, which is ethanol. Ethanol is dehydrated to give C2H4, which is an alkene. Similarly, propane can also be prepared by the dehydration of propanol, and we will get propene C3H6. So here you can see the two examples where we can prepare the different alkenes by the dehydration reaction of alcohols. So all the members of a homologous group can be prepared by a similar method. Next we will talk about the number 4 point. Member of the homologous series have the same chemical properties. Now we will justify this number 4 point. Okay. All the members of a homologous group have the same chemical properties. All alkenes show addition reaction as added into bromine. For example, here is a example of a reaction, addition reaction of alkenes, that we will add bromine in the alkenes. Look at the reaction, addition of ethene with bromine. C2H4 is ethene. If we add bromine Br2 in it, we will get C2H4Br2. A Br2 molecule is added to alkene. Addition reaction will takes place and we'll get dibromoethene. Similarly, addition of propene with bromine. The propene is the next member of the homologous group. If we add bromine in it, the bromine is also become the part of the molecule. Therefore, it show the addition reaction. So here you can see that all the members of a homologous group show the same chemical properties. So here is important information about the homologous series. The name of a homologous group can be represented by this organic prefixes. The word meth means there is a one carbon atom in their structure, like methane. Methane is a alkane which is one carbon alkane. Eth is used for the two carbon compound like ethane, and prop is used for a three carbon compound like propane. But is used for a four carbon compound like butane. Pent is used for a five carbon alkane, and so on. So here are the prefixes which we are used to pronounce the different members of a homologous group. Similarly, one carbon alcohol is known as methanol, and the two carbon alcohol is pronounced as ethanol, propanol, butanol, which indicate the number of carbon atom. Now we summarize the topic homologous series. Here you can see the summary of the topic homologous group or homologous series. A homologous series is a series of compound in which adjacent members differ by a CH2 unit. The individual members are called homolog. For example, the homologous series of alcohol can be represented as, and N is the number of carbon atoms. The one carbon atom R group is the methyl, and the formula is methanol. Methanol is the first member of the alcohol family. their general formula is ROH and CnH2n plus 1 and OH is in additional. Similarly, the second member of the alcohol family is CH3CH2OH. The two consecutive members are differ by a CH2 group. If we add a CH2 group, we will get the next member of the family. The general characteristic of a homologous series are the compounds of series contain the same elements and the functional group. They have same functional group as you are seeing in the above example. They have similar functional group. All compounds in the series can be represented by a general formula. They have a general formula like all the alcohols are represented by this general formula. For example, the general formula of alkane is CnH2n plus 2, alkane is CnH2n, alkyne is CnH2n minus 2. The molecular formula of each homologous differ from above and one below it by a CH2 unit. All compounds in the series can be prepared by a similar method. They have same set of properties like chemical property. I hope that you will understand the concept of homologous series of the organic compounds. Okay, thank you.